Hi QA folks. Today I want to talk about what exactly does it mean to be a good professional as a software QA engineer. So here are my thoughts. First one, do not close bugs after you see the first comment from developers that it's not a bug. It's expected, let's close it. I see it happening all the time when QA engineers don't care about the outcome, about delivery and fighting for the quality, and usually they're ready to close, such QA engineers are ready to close the bugs that they created after just simple comment from developers that it's not a bug, it's expected, blah blah blah. But I wouldn't do it. I would highly advise you to ask for additional explanations, send these bugs or assign these bugs in Jira to the product owner for review. If you disagree, if they are fine with having such behavior in the system, then it's up to them to decide what to fix, what not to fix. So yeah, just do not close bugs by the first comment from developers that it's not a bug. Seek for additional inputs. The second point, kind of related to the first one, don't be afraid to disagree with developers to prove your point. Remind that you are representing production users, end users, and if you see something doesn't seem to be right, then probably or most likely production users will also think so. The third one, report bugs for everything that you see is incorrect, like typos, extra spaces, if some word doesn't start from uppercase letter, if it starts from lowercase, any shifts in the layouts, just report everything. Again, I see this all the time that people who work as a QA engineers don't really care about the quality. They find that there are some spaces before dots in sentences, for example. Then they do not report typos and all this small but really important detailed stuff. So I would highly recommend to report everything that you see. It will show that you are paying attention to details, that you're an attentive person, you care about each and every letter that your user will see on the screen. Next one, suggest improvements to processes, share your ideas. Don't be afraid to share your ideas on retrospective meetings or right away. For example, if you feel that some step is missing in the process, like for example, something was deployed to test environment, but you're not sure which tickets exactly were included, what is ready for testing, what's not. So don't be afraid to suggest improvement of a process, to add additional step to send email notification with release notes, or at least with a list of bug fixes that were included in this commit, merge, and deployment. So if you have some ideas, share them right away. Don't be afraid to suggest improvements. That's the only way that it will be beneficial, first of all, for you, for yourself. Because if nobody else is interested what is included is in there, it's affecting only you. It's up to you to improve your life, in this opinion. Next one, regarding test sets. If you see that if some test set is being assigned to you for test execution, but it was not initially written by you, I wouldn't expect that it would be full coverage test set, that somebody didn't miss anything, meaning test cases, some tricky scenarios. So if you see something is missing, regardless if you're the owner of the test set in test management system or not, just add new test sets, add new tests, update existing tests. So yeah, do not be afraid to add more and more tests. Even if you are not the owner, it will be beneficial for the whole team, first of all, because if you are the owner of some test set, somebody might do the same for you, and it will improve the quality of your testing activities overall. And next one, the last one, don't be afraid to escalate issues and concerns to upper management. Sometimes you might feel that your upper management is not really interested in details, in some specific tasks that you are doing. But I've often caught up in the situations when there is a disagreement between me and some developers of what should be fixed or what is a bug, what's not a bug. So what I'm doing, again, I'm just escalating to upper management, just drop them a message in Teams or any other chat, explain that you see this issue as critical, you think it will affect end users, but developers are completely disagree. So again, if you have a QA manager that you are reporting it to, ask your QA manager to step in, or as mentioned in first item, assign the bug to product owner to decide if he sees it as critical or not. So that's all for this topic. See you in the next one.